So on today's little project, I got this thing working a little bit, and I need to clean up. Don't let that distract you. At my old house, I had the boiler hooked up, wood boiler, and I was using 110, or I could use my forklift battery, and I could convert the 24 volt to 12 volt, and then it ran through the heat exchanger. So I don't have a wood boiler. This is all I got for heat, aside from the generator. So I was thinking, well, maybe I'll just take my battery and I'll just hook it up with this again, and I'll have a little bit of free heat, because eventually I want to buy one of those the little fans that go on the stove and blow air, but I want to build a bigger one with some tag units and then hook that up, so that'll run straight off the tag as long as there's enough appropriate heat. Alright, so this thing was a piece of shit. They quit working. So I just hooked up direct. So that's 24 volt DC to 12 volt DC, 40 amp. And then I just hooked a little 110 outlet. Here's my fan. Just like that.